how to draw a bird's nest.
Just like this, on this one. First, you must have a tree.
Yeah.
And then,
Next, draw a smiley face. Like so. Erase eyes.
add a line to the mouth.
Add red lines.
Like so.
Try to make them curved. For better effect. Now make semi ovals. Keyword is ovals. Oval for the egg, not semi circles.
No. Ovals.
Because eggs are ovals, not circles. Now we have a board. And that's the eggs. They're semi-ovals.
Number B. Now you need a bird. So make it like another mouth for a smiley face.
Then make it an S. Then do like something like that. I don't know what I did, but it's a thing.
Or that.
Now make your bird look like a turkey. And add the worm in the turkey mouth.
Make it look like a real bird. Then you will have to add the tree part.
And the finished product will look like this. Ding. Here's what your finished product can look like. Like that. And that. Or that. Perfect tree with a perfect bird. Or something. Just remember, every egg is a semi-oval, not circle.
Oval.
Semi-ovals. Semi-ovals. Remember, semi-ovals.